Hey guys, I'm Nevin from Geek Ghetto Tech, and today we'll be telling you about the new UPI powered payment feature WhatsApp is bringing to India. So let's get started. Since 2018, WhatsApp has been working on its new payment feature called WhatsApp Pay for the Indian market. And recently, the company has announced that it has begun rolling out this feature to 20 million Indian users after it got approval from NPCI to run on the multi-bank model using UPI platform. And by early 2021, this feature will be available for most of the users. Using the WhatsApp Pay feature, you will be able to send money directly to the other WhatsApp contacts using UPI ID, and it promises a more secure payment transfer. You can see the list of all of your transaction details from the payment option available here in the menu. After you get this update, to set up the payment feature, all you have to do is open any WhatsApp contact and then tap on the attach button and choose the payment option. Then add your bank account which is linked to your phone number that you use in WhatsApp. After that, verify your debit card by entering the last 6 digits of your card and the expiration date. Then complete the setup by creating a UPI PIN. If you already have a UPI PIN, then enter the existing PIN. To send money on WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp contact to whom you want to send the money. Then tap on Attach. After that, choose the payment option. And then enter the amount you want to transfer and hit Send. Enter your correct UPI PIN and the money will be sent. To send money using UPI ID or QR code, simply tap on More Options and then tap on Payments. After that, tap on New Payment and then select Send to UPI ID or Scan QR code, and then enter the recipient's UPI ID or scan the recipient's QR code and wait for it to verify. And then enter the amount that you want to be transferred and then enter your UPI PIN, and the payment will be completed. Isn't it simple? Now it's even more convenient to send money to your contacts. The update will be available soon for all users in India. And by the way, did you know about the new disappearing message feature introduced by WhatsApp? Click on this I button on your screen to know more about it. So guys, for more awesome content like this, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated of all of our latest videos, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.